Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell crypto and withdraw your money from your Kraken to your bank account. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. As you can see, currently we are on the home page on our Kraken app and there's all the cryptocurrencies for the most popular watch list. From here, all you have to do is go to the bottom right section where you see the crack icon, and this is going to send you to their separate app where you can do all the transactions in and out for any cryptocurrency and transfer it to your bank account. Once you click on checkout crack, it will send you to the application where you have to sign in, and from there you can use the same information that you have used for your Kraken account. Now all you have to do is go right until you see the Kraken balance, and from here you can check that any cryptocurrency you might want to do, you can simply click on transfer, and then from there you can turn it to USD. Or you can simply click on the plus button right here, and then you can simply click on convert, and that will convert whatever cryptocurrency that you might have to USD or euros. After that, you're going to go back, click the plus button again, and then click on withdraw. And then from here you can see there are two options where withdraw cash or withdraw crypto. So you're going to simply click on withdraw cash, and then once you have a deposit of any cryptocurrency on your account or USD, you're going to simply add your bank account details such as your IBAN, and then from there you can simply withdraw it and it will be there. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.